everyone, welcome back. So last week I shared with you a video on how I was able to lose weight and how I'm able to maintain my weight loss. So in this video today, this is a typical breakfast that I would have on a day that I'm not fasting. So here I'm showing you half of an avocado. I spread it on my bread because I do not use butter. I have 2 soft boiled eggs and I also have a cup of tea. Now you may be saying that this does not look filling, but I promise you it is. Now once I have this breakfast, I don't eat again until it's time for me to have some lunch. In this video here also notice I don't have any sausages or bacon along with it, and that's because of my preference. That doesn't mean you cannot have it. I just don't have it because those meats are processed meats and I don't want to have that. So once I have this, it fills me and I'm satisfied. So try it out if you'd like, and also just leave comments below and let me know what you think of this breakfast.